Can you delete a Wix website from your mobile application? Today we are going to talk about if you can delete your Wix website from your mobile application. While you can, so how can you do that? In order to do that, you simply have to go to your X application. In the Wix, you simply have to tap on these three lines, which should open up the menu bar. Now in the menu bar, you just have to tap on your icon. It should open up your profile. In your profile, you will be able to see all of your websites that you've created before. So if you want to suppose delete this one, you just have to not happen these three dots and you will see these options here. If you actually want to delete it, you just have to tap on this move to trash button, and there you go, your website will be deleting. Currently I don't want to delete it right now, so I'm just not going to do that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this would happen.